Trade boarding, no starting. Y'all know it's dreycosting. Hi. Alright. So actually just log on my computer. People see them like the vibes the other day. So put us a whole buck of vibes on the chain what I'm doing. Today is the 20th of January 2023. Alright, so we're on GU looking for a sell. Tracement of the daily levels, right? Daily levels, bottom price up there, looking for a retracement back down right here. This rejection right here, then this day looking for continuous retracement, right? So 15, right? So we just jump on this sell like that, right? Because we had a low right here. Basically trading for option is making a series of higher highs and higher lows, right? So in order to go down, right, price has to break this low here first, right? Price have to break that low first, retest, create a low high, confirming the basic of trading for a downtrend before we can continue down. All right, so let's see how it goes. All right, let's see how it goes. Yeah, to set up this move very quickly, I turn on my laptop about 1:46, and that's like was one of the fastest I've ever marked up my chart. All right, so the first thing before entering any trade, you have to establish your stop loss. Establish my stop loss already here at 10 pips for the moment. All right, we're at a 1 to 2 for the moment. All right, don't want to take my take profits below this zone right here. This is a strong H4 zone. Right here, a strong 8-4 zone right here. A strong 8-4 zone where price is like making higher highs and could potentially come somewhere to make a higher low there about here. Or could be like double top, push off like that. That's correction, double bottom, and then push off again. Could be like a double bottom here and then push off. So, but price break this like 8-4 right here, and I know it's all over going back in a downtrend, right? Because for the long term, remember the higher time frame is more for the long term. So if you break this for high here, then we're probably going back for a downtrend for the entire next week, right? So today is Friday, so we're just holding a vibe, just chilling. All right, so what we're looking at here, right? So if you're going to go for the sell, it's simple. Price needs to close below the lows right here, right? So price close, they need the lows right there. Then we're just going to look to continue for the sell. Price respect the low right here, like shift retest, right? Double bottom and continue up. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to look to take a trade above this high right here. Once price close above here, right, I'm gonna look to take a trade above there. So remember I was telling you about the last quarter of the hour, which is the last 15 minutes of the hour. I don't really set price like that. However, like when it coming down to the final 5 minutes, I'll probably mess with price. So I'll remove this for now That's not even important right now. Shoot the tool. That's not even important right now, trust me. I mean, what we want to focus on is our entry. So gotta be patient. Like, Forex is something that, you know what I mean, if you can develop the discipline just to be patient and wait on what you're supposed to wait on, you can like make money all day. But that level of discipline, that level of patience, you know what I mean, it doesn't come overnight. You know what I mean? I put us like Sata Masagana, you know what I mean? Like all the Rastafarians would say it's like Sata Masagana. You get me? Like just chill. Even if you take like one of big clip or something like that. Yeah, just chill, yo. Alright, so based off what we mark off the daily time frame, I still have to come all the way up here, the daily candle to flip. Alright, let me put this back for a bit. See, we're getting some strong push. Alright, go to the 5, see where that candle close. Nice. So once again, so let's create a higher high right here on the 5 minute. Look. So come back right here, retest, let's see. So this is the low that we want to break. So say it's shift, retest higher low right here. So this low is higher than this one. So in order to go in a downtrend, we need to break this low. At the moment, prices has made a higher high here and a higher low. So can't just jump in a downtrend like that, right? To break the low first. And then now we can just say we just a jump in an uptrend like that. Because here now, right, just like the previous video here, between these two lines right here is a no trade zone. You get me? It's a no trade zone right there. And then now let's just come down like this, rejected right here, and come down like this. So truth be told, I don't even want to take buys. I don't want to take buys unless it's above here with some new highs from the daily, because right here is not free traffic. Price has interacted here before, within this space before right here. So I don't really want to mess around with here. Get me? So here's a no. So in order for me to consider buys, I should have to break this high right here, retest higher low, and then I probably take buys from there. And at this point right here, the daily candle would have been flipped to bullish. I'll go back on the daily. So where the daily start right here. So the daily candle would have been flipped to bullish. And then now I can probably continue up for some more highs. But for now, we're in a strong bullish day. Correction. We're in a strong bearish day. I'm gonna go down to the 5 minutes. Got this thing about the rock out right now. So what I'm going, so this is the last 5 minutes of the hour. So I'm gonna put my stop loss above the previous candle close. Right, so I just want a closure below this level right here. Alright, so let me put in my stop loss 1.23734. Yeah. Pushing down. Alright, so pushing down on that low. Bam. Alright, so breaking the lows them now. And we're coming up now to the new hour. See it? 159. And we're coming up now to the new hour. So you know it's showtime. Alright, so I want to give you some wick. Nice pullback to give you some wick now to close the hour. And then all we're gonna do is just fill this wick. Fill that wick. Alright, so bam. So bam. Oh shit. Yeah, that push. Pull back a little bit. If I don't get a little pullback. Bam, seller in. Shit. Pull back. Alright, I'm in. Like really late, but shit. Again. Let me see where I catch price. It's a messed up entry this, but anyways. That's one of those massive push. 598. I saw, but I caught it. Everybody. But it's all good. And 20 pips thereabouts. It's not bad. Yeah, one of those things. I caught it really bad, guys. The push was massive. Alright, so let me tell you about these massive push like that at the top of the hour. When you have that massive push at the top of the hour like that, that explains that volume is in the market, right? So the level of volume that's in the market, that's a good thing. You get me? That's a good thing. So bam. Stop loss 1.23734. Take profits 1.23391. For the entry real bad, but it's all good. It's gonna be the TP. Edit my alerts. Alright, so if this can go flip, I don't want to be in a trade, so we're adjusting our loss quickly. It's 1.23696. Adjusting stop loss very quickly, managing the risk. Right, so we have to manage risk aggressively. So normally I would like take partials or something like that once we're coming up to break even or anything like that, but there's a rule. right? Once you see price push off with that speed, you understand that aggressive speed, like what you see a while ago, that's what you call volume. Volume in the market, right? Volume in the market at a major pre-London open. So we are 1 hour before London open right now, and that's volume right there in the market. Volume. So once you see that volume in the market, that's key. So that's another thing that I look for in when I'm trading again. I'm looking for the volume. And so once I see that volume, then I just chill. And just chill, yo. $15 right now. Bad entry, but yeah, that volume was crazy. Yeah. Swear. Yeah, my G. Low drop below with fill. Y'all know the vibe. Y'all know the vibe. I get another entry. Boom. Go up to the 5. I have to pay attention here right now. Alright, I have to pay attention here. Got to pay attention on this retracement right here. See how hard this retracement go. Alright, so let me tell you about pull box now. So like it come up right there. So now if price start to fill this week right here now, coming up right here now, then I'm out of the trade. This red candle flip, if this green candle now flip bearish, then I'm taking another position. Should I? Nah, I'm chill. Yeah, but like if this green candle I flip bearish, I can take another position. It's a possibility. All right, so oh monthly, you know, once monthly they push go up like that, move my stop loss to here, because if that wick is filled, then I'm out. Right, I don't want to be in a trade if that would come up back and fill. All right, because once I'm getting that level of exhaustion, once I'm getting that level of exhaustion and that level of exhaustion don't respect, then I don't want to be in the trade. So I'm gonna come out at 5 pips and then not re-enter. All right, so that's how I monitor this. Okay, price can like push down like this. You get me? Pushing down like this, and then now buyers overpower it back. So if buyers overpower it back for this week to fill, then there's a possibility that initial stop loss might get licked. So that's why it's important to have a broker where you can put all these type stop loss. The broker link is in the description. Yeah. Bam bam. All right. If this week here fill, then we can stock another position. And stock another position beneath here. The same stop loss, 5 pips. If price go up here, don't want to be in the trade, none whatsoever. Alright, so I can set like a pending order right here at 1.23573. New order. That wick is filling. Not filling. Once we get that push down past that, we can touch that green light. We'll enter another position. All right, got that to explain that we have volume in the markets. All right, boom. Enter another position. Same stop loss. 1.23653. Modify. All right, so we have volume in the market. All right. So why did I enter another position? Because I got a terrible entry. Okay. Once this wick right here is crossed now, you know, I said gone a road. All right, let's see if we can feel this wick. At that point, that showed that price is creating lower highs and lower lows. All right, so when I'm entering another position, I use a lower lot size than before. If my previous risk is still open, if my previous risk is closed, right, like it, for argument's sake, it had moved to break even, then now I'd like use the same lot size. But if the previous risk is still open, then I'm going to use a lower lot size. So once this wick right here, see it's filling that wick, right? So once that wick is being filled, like past that, once that wick is being filled, then what I'm going to do, I'm going to move my stop loss again. All right, so I can move stop loss to 3 pips particularly at 0.23626. All right, so the aim is to manage risk aggressively. All right, so I'm not gonna stop being aggressive until I pass break even. Keyword aggressively. So I'm down to 3 pips now. All right, so notice where my stop loss is above the wick and the candle that just opened. So by the time the new candle open right now, if that new candle pass back this week right here, then I don't want to be in the trade because it's gonna break the previous side. It says it's break the previous side. That means that we're no longer making higher highs and higher lows. Follow me? Still this week right here, a lot of volume in the market. The aim is to move to break even as quickly as possible. See how this go right here. So I'll get kick out right here. It's all good. Stop loss has got to about 3 pips. All right, so that's managing risk. I said the entry was really tappy, guys. The entry was really tappy. All right, so it looks like we're gonna get kicked out here. That's all good. That's all good. So I'm gonna just take this kick out right here. We have managed risk. Stop loss all the way down to 3 pips. And I don't get kicked out as yet. It's spread with the broker. So let's see how it goes. Can I get that press down? All right, we're gonna get kicked out. All right, boom, I got kicked out, right? And that's good. All right, so I got kicked out. We'll manage risk. Price is pulling back, right? So I got kicked out. Nothing is wrong with that. We manage risk. All right, we manage risk. Nothing is wrong with that. So that's a loss on the day. Entry was sloppy, big time. The entry was really sloppy. But I could have held that entry because there was a lot of volume in the market, a lot of volume. So what we can do. All right, not much we can do. So boom, we can take a second entry. Price here above this previous candle right here. So let's see how this goes. So if we get a pullback up to here, we're gonna watch how the pullback go up to here. See if we can get like a retest entry to go here. Entry was really sloppy. But I could have held that entry. I thought my entry should be like somewhere up here, but yo, the entry was just price move really aggressively, man, I tell you. All right, so this is like 15 pip, a quick 1 to 1, 1 to 1.5. Okay, nothing wrong with that. You can take the fill off this week right here. Stop loss 7 pips. And take the fill off that week right there, being that we're getting all of those rejection right there. Or put it right here, 9 pip. Let's see where it goes. Can't be perfect all the time, but what I can try to be perfect on is managing risks. That much I can tell you guys. If I'm not perfect on something, I'm gonna be perfect at managing risks. Alright, so I'm gonna try to enter with a sell stop. Say price comes down here, fill this week right here, I'm gonna enter. Alright, so let's see if exhaustion continues to create here. I want to see his buyer's exhaustion with the week at the top here. Yo, that initial entry, man. Yo, that initial entry was crazy. Normally I don't miss it like that, you know. I don't know. I was not paying attention right there. Yeah, one of those things. So price came to here. This level of support right here bounce around. Alright, so it's good that it's going back up now. Let's go to the M5. Let's see how the entry look. You gotta manage risk, guys. Gotta manage risk. See that how it break them here? See that? See that? See that? Alright. Going back past these lows and all of that. What it done now? Gone back in the no trade zone. I'm back in the no trade zone. So here what? Just killing this right now. Killing this whole move right here. Killing this right here. And back in the no trade zone, guys. Think about it now. What if I have managed risk, cutting my stop loss like the 3 pips? Right? So that is why my losses are like totally minimal. Alright, I have to manage risk aggressively. You get me? Got to manage risk aggressively, guys.
That was Thompson with the pick, lost it. Curry gets it right back with a pick. For the Celtics.
Yo, that Steph Curry half-court shot last night was crazy against Boston. That's just crazy.
If he would have started regular, he would have missed it, and they would have had a better opportunity to tip it back. Something was playing regular because he took a missing. Something was
Mm-hmm. Right. So you guys are gonna see how things goes when things don't go the way right away. Like, think about it. What if I'm not managing risk aggressively a while ago, right? Let's think about that for a second. What if I wasn't managing risk aggressively? So this right here, as I said, this right here is like an 8-4 low. So we have to be careful. Same thing that I was talking about a while ago, that the possibility that price could come here, shift retest higher low, shift retest higher low, and then boom, gone. So now we are having an exhaustion week on the 8-4 candle. So I'm gonna look now to take buys above here. So if I start to get like buys up, this 8-4 candle flip, I will have this green candle is where this 8-4 candle would flip. So if that 8-4 candle flip to bullish, then I'm all bullish, guys. Trust me. Especially now that the London session is gonna be opening in practically half hour. That means that the market wants to continue bullish and break these highs. All right. So once again, I want to come out this no trade zone right here, a bit of clean space right here, and then I'm gonna look to continue up. So this now pushing strongly going down, fine. We get a small loss at 3 pips, fine. I'm good with that. Fine. Let me see how much I would have caught if I caught my entry properly. 10 pips. Still that probably got. But the only difference is that I would probably at break even. But 3 pips, I can live with that. Price pushing back down, but I'm not interested, guys. Trust me, I'm just not interested to like go back down again whatsoever. Because why? I no longer have that clean range. No longer have that clean range. So it just is what it is. I'm not interested. So, and then I don't have the space. I don't have the space in like 17. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, I still have the stops. Sell stop on. Let me see where the sell stop on 3531. Oh, I still have the sell stop on. All right, let's see. 15 pips. And put like 1-to-1, I guess. Yes, if price break these previous lows, we gotta get up there. If price break these previous lows, I guess we can continue down. Probably I'll start the 1-to-1. Put it up there. Price started with a lot of volume. Alright, so went back in the no trade zone, coming back out. Don't want to enter here, just in case it will come back bouncing around here before we push up with all of that foolishness. So I rather to enter on these lows. Alright, so I don't want this week to be filled right here. Wow. So at that stage, this candle low would have been broken, this candle low would have been broken, and then now we can tell that really have a strong push continuously to the downside. But for a moment, I thought that this thing is gonna flip. Let me check what the H4. Okay, the H4 is no longer having an exhaustion candle, right? So all we want to do is probably just fill this week of the H4. Fill this week right here for the entry bomb. Yeah. Very untidy morning, but it's all good. So not every morning is like peaches and cream, but the aim all the time is to all manage risk. You got to manage risks. I can't stress on that so much more. You know what I mean? You have to manage risk, guys. You have to manage risk. That's why most of y'all like get kicked out and all of that stuff. Y'all get kicked out of your trades and be like, oh, Intel that got kicked out and then price went my way, and y'all know the foolishness, right? That used to happen to me too, but it does mature. Bam. Once price push down here like that, we now have this candle start right here. Now can adjust my stop loss now to 7.5 pips. Alright, because think about it, if price triggers in right here below beneath these lows, why would you want to be in the trade if it comes back here where it open and flip green? That wouldn't make any sense, no? So we're gonna adjust our stop loss. So 1.23606. Alright. See our TP at 1.23391. I just really want to feel these weeks right here. Yeah, there's some volume in the market, but it's really choppy a while ago, guys. Really choppy. Let's see how it goes. So it's playing around right here because we have strong support to this side. And it's coming back right here playing around. So we really want to break through that support. Once we break through that support, then we're good. Right? Break through the support right here. Once again, aim of the game, if I want to survive, is managing risk aggressively. Alright, so notice that my stop loss started at 12 pips, stop loss already at 7 pips. Because I'm managing risk aggressively. Just think about it, if I was managing risk aggressively a while ago, when I started out with the initial 15 pips or so on, I would have been stopped out. Alright. Boom, my entry is triggered now. Alright. Price come back and flip right here. Bullish. Then I don't want to be in a trade. You get me? So push. Hopefully I get a push down. And then now this is my final entry of the day. I'd say price come up back, keep me out, and then continue down. I don't care. Because so two things in me managing risk. Managing the I manage the stop loss aggressively, as you guys see, and then 1 to 2 trades per day. 1 to 2 trades per day. Right? Once I reach 2 trades, first one did the workouts, second one don't work out. That's it for the day. Clear my chart, right? Turn off the PC, right? 1 to 2 trades per day. If the first one is TP, right? First one going profit, I'm not entering a second one. I'm taking my wins and calling it a day, right? So most of y'all like just starting to get a win, you feel good, and then start to be greedy and try to re-enter in the market and all of that and give away back your profits. All right, I don't do that. All right, so if you're guilty of that right now, right, just stop yourself on the shoulder and be like, stop giving away back profits, right, to the market. You understand? Stop giving away back profits. Yeah, don't give away back profits, yo. Alright, so this is what I was scared of, and I'm already entered, you know what I mean? So if I get a second loss, then I'm just calling it a day. This is what I was scared of. Price coming back to testing these lows and playing around. So if price fill this week right here, then it's a done deal. TP should be it. Because we already went up, it's there. Remember playing around the support. So if price finally break through the support, which you're seeing right here on the left, then it's a done deal because we have a ton of free space down here to play with. A ton of clean traffic down here to play with. So TP should be it. Price breaks through this support. Let's see. I'm just going for 14 pips. I'm good at that. Almost I wanted to for me. At the level that I'm at right now, with that 7 pip stop loss. Alright, so once price break this low right here, then my stop loss is coming to the top of that candle. Alright, managing risk aggressively. Matter of fact, I'm gonna just move that shit right here, right now. Playing around. Not playing around this morning, so boom, my stop loss gonna be at 4 pips now. So it's 1.23575. $23575. Not playing around, yo. Have to monitor this aggressively. Alright, so bomb, it broke that low right there. Bomb. Alright, so come back. Oh guys, that's it for the day. Alright, so bomb, I'm gonna upload this. Alright, so you guys can see a losing day. So this is a losing day, and I'm good with that. So that's a losing day. Alright, so this is a losing day, and I'm just going to walk away from my laptop and call it a day. You get me? And that's why it was kind of iffy. I didn't want to enter, but because I'd already used up the free space and it was playing around. So that's a losing day, guys. Alright, it's a losing day. It's all good. Alright, it's all good because we tried our very best to manage risk, and we did that. Alright, so bam, that's it, guys. So losing day, I'm out. 1 to 2 trades, take my 1 to 2 trades, right? Calling today. Alright, straight balling, no stalling.